Friends, I'll give you now a live example of how observation, contemplation and doing enhances the quality of learning, gives a depth to the learning and widens the learning. One of my students of class 7, one day when we were discussing colors of white light, and we were saying that in the books it is written that there are 7 colors. You also have been taught there are 7 colors in white light, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. One of them asked me, sir, is there or are there only 7 colors? I can see light blue, I can see dark blue, I can see peacock blue, and I can see so many blues. Are they not different colors? Yes, indeed, when we put the white light through a prism, we found that it split into its various constituents. And when we observed deeply, we found that there is not one blue. There are many blues, from sky blue to the darkest blue. Like I'll show you in this picture, you can see the sky blue, technically speaking, sky blue is a different color. Peacock blue is a different color. Sea blue is a different color. So in common terminology, we all call them as blue because we have classified these type of colors as blue. However, from the point of view of science, every shade is a different color. Now the next question which comes up is, how are these colors generated? So this is another level of study which we are getting into. Now you see, white light falls on an object. It gets reflected. We see a particular object, for example, this what do you call it, laser marker or laser pointer, as green in color. White light is falling on this laser marker and I am seeing only the green. Why does this happen? It is because this marker or this laser pointer is absorbing all the colors or all the shades of light except the green. It is reflecting green, and that green comes to my eyes and I perceive it as green. I hope you are understanding this. Similarly, the other colors. Now let us see what happens to white light when it falls on an object like a prism. Here we have thrown white light on a prism and we can see that it has split into its various constituent colors. You will observe that at one end it is violet and at the other end it is red. In between there are various colors. We have classified them into violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. However, if you observe deeply, you will find that every or whatever shade you can imagine that exists in this spectrum of light. So there are light greens, there are dark greens, there are leaf greens, there are sea greens, there are light blue, dark blue, peacock blue, all kinds of colors are there. So here we can actually see that white light does contain many number of colors. In fact, if you study light, wavelength, etc. Further, you will realize that it contains infinite colors. About that we will do in another lecture. Okay, thank you.